fans, it is me, the Pokemaniac. Today I'm going to capture Rotom. Now I think you have to capture him at night, I'm pretty sure of it. Oh yeah. She's scared, alright. She stuttered. You saw her stutter. But barely was good. Yay. Okay, once you get the national decks, you can return to the Ocean 2. Ghastly. Might have been in here for probably exploring and stuff. Yes, that's the last Pokemon I needed to fulfill my national. That's Lumineon. And this is actually pretty cool. No, Ghastly. I do not want to run into Ghastly. You can return to this one room with the TV. It's Rotom! Dramatic Pokemon music. This is so sweet. Yes, I know. Fortunately, I'm level 15. So, yes. Some other person called Maryland captured this, except with the Japanese. He used an Ultra Ball. So, I have any. No, I don't. What? That stinks. I guess he's a premier. I don't know why. Come on, Rotom. Wow, I just seriously didn't even wobble. Oh no, the Pokemon. Let's see. Send this up. Wow. Oh, sorry, this probably it's easier. I can't really weaken you because I don't have any weak Pokemon. Weakness is around 20. I'm gonna try this one. Shush. Son, use a Pokeball. Wobble twice. I didn't even expect that to work. Wow, that was really sucky. Come on, it wobbled twice. Okay, if I can capture a legendary Pokemon, that'd be awesome. Especially with a Pokeball. And then we're like, sweet, I captured it. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, it clicks. Yeah, this dude is so sweet. I forgot I didn't have any. What will Lumineon do? Let's try another Pokeball. Come on. Please, please, please. Come on. I don't know why I'm trying to catch him. It's a Pokeball. Wow, uproar. How exciting. It's my movie. Move on. Let's try it. Why? Hey ya. Ah! What do you think I should use? A Pokeball. B, a Great Ball. Or C, use any random cool-looking Pokeball I have. If you chose C, you are correct. Let's use a Quick Ball. I own a Quick Ball. I don't know that why. Come on. Wow, it wobbled once. Let's just look at him. Yo. Look at how cool he looks. What a real time, calm down. Ah, great. Let's just use a Pokeball ball. Cross your fingers, folks. Cross them. Cross both of them if you can. Ah, dude, yeah. Very frustrating. Wow, if he kills that thing, if he kills my Minion, next I'll probably try to capture Shaman, but I don't have any good balls, so I'm gonna have to get some good balls. Fortunately, you can buy monster balls. If you could, what do you think they would be? About 10,000. So while go time, use Uproar. Well, real time caused the Uproar. Okay, I'm just gonna keep using Pokeballs. Come on. One. Ah, snap. I might have to do a double of this, I don't know.
Double, right?
I'm just using Pokeballs. I actually saw someone try to catch a Darkrai with Pokeballs. Next, I probably should have catch Celia, don't know why. Whoa, sweet, I captured him with a Pokeball. It's a legendary capture with a Pokeball. See that, folks? I captured a legendary with a Pokeball. It's known to composed of plasma. It is known to okay, word I can understand or read. Electronic devices and wreak havoc. Sweet. No.